Alright, in this video we'll be handling the 2024 grade 9 external trading profit and loss account. Alright, so this is the question. The question says the following balances were extracted from the books of C. Hamonga on 31st December 2020 and the items were given. Alright, items were given. Then it says required to prepare the A, trading and profit and loss account. Then B, it says balance sheet. So now in this video I'll only focus on the trading and profit and loss account. And before I drop a video concerning the part of the balance sheet, I have first to upload a video whereby it will be an introductory video of the balance sheet, so that you understand where it starts from, the some of the key things whereby you must understand concerning the part of the balance sheet. All right, so now this is the question and it's 10 marks. All right, so it's 10 marks altogether. In total it's 20 marks. So trading profit and loss account 10 marks, the balance sheet 10 marks, so altogether it's 20 marks. All right, so now whenever just you face a question concerning the part of the trading profit and loss account, there are some certain steps whereby you must do. You must make sure that you get a what? You must have a pencil, right? Oh, as for now here I don't have. Okay, so now you must have a pencil. So now if you check, we do have items here: capital, purchases, sales, repair. So now not each and every items here should go into the trading profit and loss account. Here items are mixed. There are some items whereby they should be placed in the balance sheet. All right, I'll repeat. It's not that each and every item here should be placed in the trading profit and loss account. Items here are mixed. There are items whereby they must be placed in the balance sheet, and also items which should be placed where? In the trading and profit and loss account. All right, so here it says trading, then profit and loss account. So you should first start by entering items which should be in the trading account. So trading profit and loss account. So here we do have two things. We do have the trading account and the profit and loss account. The video which I uploaded, it was the day before yesterday, I explained more on how you can handle the introductory part of this trading profit and loss account, so you can check it out. All right, so now the first key thing, you have to do this. You just have to write this name aside, stroke grow. So stroke grow, it will help you very well, because each and every letter here has a meaning. All right, so each and every letter here represents an item. So now stroke grow simply means trading account. So these are some of the items whereby they should be placed in the trading account. So S stands for what? For sales. All right, so in the introductory video of the trading profit and loss account, I explained more about this. All right, so you can check it out. So sales, then R stands for retains what? Retains inwards. Okay, R stands for retains inwards. Then O, we do have what? The opening stock. We do have opening stock. Then P stands for purchases. All right, and C stands for carriage inwards. So the word carriage simply means the free transport. Carriage means free transport. Then RO stands for what? So RO, these two letters are together. R stands for retains, then O stands for outwards. So it's retains outwards. You have seen? So these are items whereby they should be placed in the trading account. All right, so now this is the order items they should be following each other. So we start with sales. All right, so this is the trading account. So now what you're going to do, before you do anything, there's a rule in business studies which says that each and every table must have a what? A title. All right, so if you check here, it says extracted from the books of what? C. Hamonga on 31st December 2020. So make sure that you read the title. So how are you going to read the title? It's very much easy. Start first by writing the name of the person. So you write C. Hamonga. So write C. Hamonga. So C. Hamonga's. I'm going to write trading. Okay, and profit. Okay, so C. Hamonga's trading and profit and loss account, right? So here it says on 31st. So remember here 31 is simply the last date of what? Of December. So we are going to write okay, C. Hamonga's trading profit and loss account for the year ending, right? For the year ending, since it's 31, which means the next month it will be January. So this is the year ending. So amount for the year ending, okay, 31st, okay, December 2020. All right. So C. Hamonga's trading profit and loss account for the year ending, okay, 31st December 2020. All right. So now because of space here, I've just written DEC, so it's December. You must complete it, right? Right. So now here I do have also this item. Here we do have details. Also we do have okay, K. So K simply represents kwacha. Then here we do have ngwes. We do have ngwes. All right. So now we are going to look at our items once again. Make sure that you have a pencil. You'll be indicating now the items which should be placed where? In the trading account, because the question says what? Trading. So these are the items which should be placed in the trading account. So we'll start looking for the items. So S stands for sales. Where is sales? Where is sales? All right. So this is sales. So indicate with your pencil. Just write T, okay, slash, okay, A. So it simply means trading account. Then you move also, okay, returns inwards. Do we have returns inwards? So remember here, returns inwards is also called sales returns. All right, so do we have returns inwards or sales returns here? We don't have. So we move. Okay, O stands for opening stock. Do we have opening stock here? All right, let's check. Okay, yes. So here we do have stock and also here stock. So now if you check, it says 01/01/2020. All right, so this simply means 1 January 2020. Then this is 1 December 2020. So January is the first month, then December it is the last month. So this is our what? Our opening stock, and this is our what? Our closing stock. Right, so we even indicate here, we're going to write T with your pencil. Why? Write it properly. So TS stands for trading account, so we move also. P stands for purchases, so indicate properly T/A. Then what else? C, carriage inwards. Do we have? No, we don't have carriage inwards. So RO stands for returns outwards. Do we have returns outwards? So returns outwards is also called purchases returns. All right, do we have returns outwards or purchases returns here? No, we don't have. All right, so since we don't have, okay, do we have so when these items are over, you have to close now. Why? You have to close when you are finished now looking out naming out the items or labeling the items here, which means the last key thing you must do is to do what? Is to close now. So the closing stock, do we have? All right, yes, this. So even the closing stock must be placed where? In the what? In the trading account. So we do have 1 2 3 4. All right, so we start our name here is what? Strobe Grow. So the first letter is what? It's S. So you're going to write S here. Right. So write S. So you have to check here. Check properly. Here we have what? Strobe Grow. We do have Strobe Grow. So S. After S we do have what? R. R stands for returns inwards. So you have to check. Do we have returns inwards? Here we don't have returns inwards. This simply means that the amount for sales, it should go in the last box. If we had returns inwards, the amount for sales would be placed here, and also the amount of returns inwards, it should be placed here, then we subtract. Alright, I'll repeat. Sales, alright, we do have sales, so you have to check. Alright, sales, after sales we have what? Returns inwards. So you have to check. If we had returns inwards here, the amount of sales, it would have been placed in the middle box here, together with the what? With the amount for returns inwards. Now since here we don't have the returns inwards, the amount for sales should be placed in the last box. Right, so how much? It's okay, 62305. Don't forget to even indicate ngwes 00. I've seen. Then now after doing this, now we move. Okay, sales, you can even cancel it. Okay, sales, we have indicated it. Then now we move to R. R we don't have. We can simply cancel it as well, since we don't have. Then O, it's what? Opening stock. So you have to write here opening stock. Opening stock. You have to write opening stock. Alright, so you have to check. Here we have opening stock, then we have what? Okay, P, which is purchases, then okay, carriage, then we returns outwards. So the amount for opening stock, amount for opening stock, it's what? Okay, you have to check. It's what? It's 7300. 7300. Right, 7300. Okay, 7300. All right, so this is the what? The opening stock. So if you want, you can even write the way it is here. You can write as stock 010, but as for me, I've written opening stock. Okay, I've written opening stock because this is the opening stock. All right, so if you want, you can even indicate it down here to indicate that it's what? Okay, you can say, or you can write, okay, stock, okay, 01 2020, like this. Show that it's what? It's opening stock. All right, so now I'll proceed now. Then we move to our Strobe Grow. S, R gone, O gone, then P. Where is P? Okay, start checking. P. Move, we write P here, which is purchases, right? So purchases. So if you check here, we have purchases. Then after purchases, we do have what? We do have carriage inwards. So start checking. Do we have carriage inwards? Do we have carriage inwards? We don't have carriage inwards. So now, since we don't have carriage inwards, the amount for purchases should be placed here in this box. And if we had carriage inwards here, the amount of sales and carriage inward, it would have been placed in the first box here, then it would have added. All right, so purchases. So Strobe Grow helps very well. So P, this is purchases. So since we don't have C, which is carriage inwards, the amount for purchases, it will be placed where? In this box. So now we have to write the amount for purchases. It's what? It's 38,000. So this is 38,000. All right, so remember here purchases, don't you forget to write at first. It's add purchases. Okay, it's add purchases. All right, so we add. All right, so it's add purchases. All right, so we have to punch. Okay, 7300 plus 38000. Our amount is going to be 45,300. 45,300. 0 these are ways. All right, so After doing this now, what we're going to do, we come to our stroke crew. P, okay, gone. Okay, carriage we don't have. Then we do have what? Okay, returns outwards we don't have. Okay, so we just go straight to our what? To our closing stock. Okay, since we don't have the carriage inwards, returns out we don't have. So we just go straight to our what? To closing. So we are going just to write what? Closing stock. So remember, closing we subtract. So we are going to write less closing what? Stock. Check the introductory video. I explained very well concerning the introduction part of the trading account, the profit and loss account. Alright, so less closing stock. So less simply means you are subtracting. So closing stock. Okay, this is our closing stock. It's what? It's 45. Okay, it's 4,500. Okay, going to write 4,500. Then now, to show that you are subtracting, you have to put this what? Figure in brackets. So this bracket simply means that we are doing what? We are subtracting. All right, so we are going to punch. It's okay, 45, okay, 300 minus 4500. All right, so the amount is what? Is 40,800. It's 800. All right, so this amount we call it as the what? As the cost of goods sold. Okay, cost of goods sold. All right, so we proceed. So this is how the trading account now ends. So if you check on the question, our question here, it says trading. So this is how the trading account now ends. So now we'll be starting the profit and loss. You have seen, we'll be starting now with the profit and loss. So now what we're going to do, the trading and loss, the profit and loss, a name also, we do have Gary. So G stands for the what? For the gross profit. So at the same time, G stands for the gross profit, and also at the same time it stands for what? For gains. So what you're going to do, you do this, right? So this amount here, what you're going to do, we are going to subtract here. So now, upon subtracting here, if your answer gives you a negative, mind you, the amount here should be named as what? Should be named as the gross loss. And upon subtracting, if we don't have an answer which has a negative, mind you, the amount here, the name is the what? Is the gross profit. So let us substitute now. It's 62305, then minus 40 k is 21, okay, 505. Okay, so this is our what? Our gross profit. Our gross profit. All right, so now the trading account has gone. All right, so Gary, so this is the profit and loss now, stroke the trading account. So Gary stands for the what? For the gross profit, or after just writing the gross profit, what you're going to do, you are going to write the what? Gains. All right, so gains. So add gains or income. All right, so G stands for gains. All right, so here you can just write first, you can just write add gains, okay, slash income. All right, so add gains slash income simply means you will start looking for items which were received. So anything that deals with what? Received. So here we do have what? Discount what? Received. So we only have this, so it is profit and loss. So we have this amount. Okay, we have this amount is 380. So 380. So exactly this amount should be placed directly in the last box. So 380. Okay, ngwe. All right. Then now here, then what are we going to do here? Going to we are going to substitute here 21,505 minus 380. All right. Wait, 21,505 plus 380. Okay, we are going to add here, sorry, not substituting, we are going to add, since here it says add gains. All right, so the amount here, it says 2188, then 5. All right, so upon indicating this amount now, we are going to move to our Garray. Okay. Okay, so GA, okay, these are together. Then R stands for, okay, anything received. Then E stands for expenses, so which means less expenses. Right, so we are going to write here less expenses. Okay, so an expense is simply the amount that someone spends on buying something. Right, the amount that one spends in order for him to buy something, we refer to it as an expense. Right, so now if you check here, we do have expenses here. Okay, repairs to vehicles, we're going to indicate it as what? PL, profit and loss, because it's an expense. All right, if your car has a problem, you have to take it to the repair shop, whereby it has to be repaired, so you'll be spending money. All right, and also, okay, wages and salaries, okay, be spending, giving out workers. Okay, profit and loss. And apart from this, also the discount allowed is the profit and loss. It simply means it's the reduction which is given by the seller. All right, so apart from this, also bad debts. All right, bad debts here, PL. And also, okay, what else? Okay, electricity. Okay, be spending to buy power. All right, so 1 2 3 4 5, so you have to write everything here. So we do have first, okay, repairs. Okay, repairs to, okay, to vehicles. Okay, sorry here, so the amount should be indicated in the middle box. All right, for expenses, so it's 17, okay, 60, okay, here. Then after, okay, we do have wages and salaries, wages, okay, and salaries. Right, the amount, it's what? 7400. And also we do have the discount allowed. Do we have the discount allowed? The discount allowed. Do we have how much discount? Okay, we do have a 240. Then also we do have okay, bad debts. Okay, how much for bad debts? Well, bad debts, okay, we do have 675. 675. And lastly, we do have electricity. We do have okay, 2810 kwacha. All right, so if we add here, okay, 1700, then plus 7400 plus 240 plus 675 plus 28. Okay, then we do have 10. So we are going to have okay, if I punched everything correct, I think I've okay, 1760, then plus 74, okay, 00, then plus 240, then plus 675, then plus 28, then 10. Okay, so this is the amount 12885. All right, so upon adding here, you indicate the amount here. So this amount is, we refer to it as the what? As the total expenses. Simply means we are adding all the expenses. So this is the total of all expenses. All right, so total expenses. Then now here you have to subtract. Last now we'll be subtracting. So 21885 minus 1288, then 5. So we are going to have a 9,000. So this 9,000 we refer to it as the what? As the net profit. If our answer had a negative here, we would have named it as the net loss. All right, so thank you very much. This is how it was supposed to be handled. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe, okay, like and comment, and feel free to ask as many questions. All right, thank you very much.